Welcome back, winners. On this episode, got my wonderful son with me here today, and we are going to put the Disney winner on the spot. We're going to have a little challenge today. Not a number of rides challenge. What we're going to do is test my knowledge of line science. Going to, in real time, put the Disney winner to the test. So the deal is, every line we get in, I'm going to make a guess as to how long it's going to take. If I am right, or we're quicker than that, I get $1. If I'm wrong and it takes longer than I guess, Marshall gets $1. So we're going to really put my line science and knowledge of the park to the test today. Disney winner on the spot. Let's get into it. Little Main Street vibe check on this wonderful day. No reservations available. Park is sold out. Horses drooling. Not too crazy on Main Street, but my guess is, considering it's, 1 o'clock, just after 1 o'clock, everybody's already out into the park. But beautiful, beautiful. This will be our last trip to Disneyland until after the holidays. Now we are coming back early January, so this will all still be fully decorated, but it's going to be a couple of weeks, winners. Look at all the pin traders. Wow, I have never seen it so congested over there for pin trading ever. And of course, you know the first line I'm going to challenge. Indiana Jones Adventure, posted 45 minutes. Let's put eyes on that line and I will make my guess. We're going to single rider, but I'm still going to guess the time. Okay, they are backed up beyond the bottles.
I like your outfit.
The bottles usually post about 45 minutes. I see very little. No, wait, there's a whole line of Lightning Lane going in. All right, single rider it is. And I'm going to guess 12 minutes. 12 minutes from the back of the line for single rider. Let's see. Happy birthday. Yeah, this might have cost me $1. The line in the caverns backed up halfway up the ramp. This is going to be tough. I'm going to mark the line time and we shall see. Less than 1 minute, we're through the mix point. What do you think? Do I stand a chance? 12 minutes or under? We haven't moved in about a minute and a half.
I know. I think I'm looking forward to getting $1 from you.
That may be true. 15 minutes. Dang it. Look at this. 20 minutes and that line is clear. That's a 15, 20 minute wait now for straight standby. But I made the mistake of making that guess before I put eyes on the back of the single rider line. And there were 20 people in front of us. But a deal's a deal. So there you go.
Thanks.
It's outside of Docking Bay 7 in one of my favorite places to sit and chill and eat. And we got some delicious, wonderful looking food. That's the Kublog curry. It's a spiced curried shrimp with a chicken curry sauce and herb, almost like some kind of green goddess rice. And then the chicken bao buns, of course. A cup of ice for Marshall's Mini Coke. A couple of cups of ice water, just because. And we're going to dig right in. This is delicious. The shrimp have really, really good curry flavor. They're tender, not overcooked. And the sauce is loaded with chunks of chicken, like shredded chicken. The rice has a nice herby flavor, and it's got a pretty decent little kick to it. This is fantastic. Wonderful. And you guys already know my feelings on the chicken bao. That sweet and sour pickled veg, that little spicy sauce, the little corn niblets. This is just wonderful, fantastic eats. And it's much hotter than the curry was, but it's good, very good. Yeah, that gets a thumbs up from both. Oh, look, three thumbs up. Nice. Rise is posted 45. Yeah, it is bright. Rise posted 45. We're going to go put eyes on that line and see what I think. And if that looks like too much for the day, we'll go single rider Falcon. The Lightning Lane is clear. They look pretty posted behind the caves, but I'm going to go put eyes on the line and see. Did confirm with a cast member they are running at full capacity. We do have movement through the line, and they are just barely into switchback 2. I'm going to hop in this line, and I'm going to call that, I think I'm going to call that 35 minutes to the Ray Room. Do have a little movement behind the caves, so I think I'm pretty strong on my 35. They have posted back up out here. We'll see. All right, got a little bit of movement. I'm officially in line with Marshall. I'm going to make my guess, and I'm going to say I'm going to put it out there. 37 minutes to the Ray Room. 37 minutes.
30 that's very specific.
I'm giving myself a little 2-minute buffer. So 37 minutes to the Ray Room. That's only 3 minutes and we're already in the caverns. Get my dollar back. At the waterfall, 8 minutes. You're close. Yeah, that was way, way, way too conservative. That was 23 minutes to the Ray Room. Somebody else me a dollar. 30 minutes to the interrogation mix point. Wow. Grossly underestimated that for sure, to the Ray Room, but we were still only 34 minutes to the boat. So, boom. What you think about that?
I don't like losing money.
Hopefully the glare behind me is not terrible. We're gonna go single rider the Falcon since we're back here in Galaxy's Edge.
Maybe I'll get my money back.
Maybe, but I'm not gonna make that assessment until I see the end of the single rider line. Falcon's posted standby 10 minutes. We are not gonna single rider that. There is nobody on the glass. I am gonna guess we are 8 minutes to the Hondo Room. No, I bet we're 8 minutes to the Falcon. Yeah, this line is, we're walking straight into the Hondo Room. I bet you there's just a handful of lightning lanes just went by. There's the next point. We haven't stopped walking. Again, these are the windows I say. You look up here, if it's posted 10 or 15 minutes and you don't see anybody, or you see people just walking by, that's a go. 8 minutes, I think, might have been conservative as well. 9 minutes to the Falcon.
Sucker.
Yeah, I lost again. Crap. Are you kidding me? And shenanigans, even though we went from standby, we're stuck as engineers again. Oh, Marshall actually got to be a pilot. Score! Shenanigans with 9 minutes. That's baloney. That should have been a 4-minute walk on. I got hosed. But rules are rules.
Hell yeah, they are.
So there you go. Bonus by doing the standby. Marshall, the family that we got stuck with, they only had one that wanted to be pilot, so Marshall got to bump up to pilot. I was stuck as engineer, but then when we got into the actual cockpit, the other engineer or the other gunner decided to take the engineer seat, so I hopped up into the gunner seat. We got 2 containers of coax, and we were Marauder. And I took out 10 freaking TIE fighters. It was awesome. So that was a total bonus and a win for us, even though it was a loss for me. Game plan, gotta get my dollar back. So I'm gonna go put these expert Disney winter eyes on Pirates of the Caribbean. But if the Columbia is loading passengers, we're gonna do that first. And because I missed it on the way in, transition music. Wonderful. Columbia is docked up for the day. Therefore, we shall put eyes on Pirates and make another little wager. Pirates is posted 20. They are going in right here at the bottom and going up and doing 1 turn. 12, 2, 4, 6. I'm calling that 16 minutes to the boat. And Marshall says, get ready to pay up. We shall see. You know what I learned last time? Oh no, are they forcing us to the left-hand side? Why are they doing that? That's interesting. Curious. Let's see what happens. Curious, I've never seen this before. They had a cast member actually directing people left or right side. He didn't get to choose. He was standing sort of in front of the opposite side and pointing you into the other one. We got left side, so hopefully that's faster. And we just walked through the threshold in literally 1 minute. I think I said 16 minutes, so we shall see. 15 minutes. Woo, woo,
1
woo.
minute.
Yep, I made it by 1 minute. Yay for me. The classic Dole Whip with the not so classic tahine.
It's good.
Yeah, good. Just a quick distraction. Because it's basically a walk on toes is posted 10, we're probably on at 7, 8. Is that a bet?
7, 8?
7, 8.
Okay, I'll take that.
I'll call it 8 minutes. I bet it's not that. Forces continue to conspire against me. More DAS riders. Not that I fault them by any means whatsoever, but it's wrecking my system. That was 6 minutes. Guessed 8. You know what that means.
It's starting to feel personal.
Und now we are off to ride the bobsleds. Gonna put eyes on it and give my best guess for single rider on that. Yeah, I want to call this 6 minutes. We'll put a timer on it.
I'll take you on 6 minutes.
You're going to take it on 6 minutes, you think?
May I actually make it 5?
5 minutes? Okay, we'll call it. I'm not sure how you get to negotiate it. 5 minutes it is, 5:27, so 5:32, hopefully we're on. Oh, and somebody call my chiropractor. We're on the freaking left side. Left side, and the boy there 2 minutes behind me. And he came out holding his neck and stretching. Look at him rubbing his temples. Left side just beats the hell out of you, man. It is so rough. And it's been a hot minute since he's ridden this. How's your neck? Even with a last minute change, trying to trip up the Disney winner. 5 minutes flat.
Robbing your only child in Disneyland.
Robbing my only child in Disneyland. He feels like he's being set up.
You're going in the home.
I swear, I'm trying to be as honest as I can. They have Star Tours posted as 10. There's literally nobody in line. No lane action. I'm gonna call this 6 minutes. 6 minutes?
Fine by me. I just want my money.
Let's see what we got. 5 minutes. 5 minutes to the door. Somebody owes me $1. Alrighty, 5 minutes flat. You know what that means?
This bodes ill for going to Vegas later.
We were gonna do single rider Space Mountain, but we're sort of running out of time, and that, in my guess, I mean, there's people sitting down. That's a 35 minute wait. I would probably, a minimum, I would call that 30. So I don't think we're gonna do that. I think that's gonna do it for us in the park today. Let's see, we did 6 line challenges and I won 3, is that right? And then I missed a couple by like literally 2 minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. But putting the Disney winner on the spot today in real time, fun. This was a good time with the boy, and that was a fun challenge. That was neat. That's you're putting your money where your mouth is, literally. I'm calling it a win. That was fun. Yeah, I mean, we were only here for maybe 5 hours. We squeezed in 8 attractions altogether, and sit down lunch and Dole Whip, and of course, as always, the ever omnipresent churro for the ride home. Chomp. Oh, that's a big bite. We'll take a peek at looking for the monorail on the way out. But otherwise, thanks for following along, and we'll see you winners later.
Bye.
No way.
Monorail.
Monorail. What a thing of beauty.
Pretty.
Nice. Way to end the night, winners. Love that thing. Quick epilogue. If I was to need any affirmation, my boy was like, hey, that line sign stuff pays off. We hardly waited in line for anything. That's winning Disneyland, baby.